Hi, first graders. This week we're going to continue to think about our opinion, how we feel, and how we think. And we're going to think about, should we continue learning from home or should we go back to school? So here it says pros. The pros are the reasons why we should continue learning from home. So less time driving to school. As you do your work from home, you are spending less time getting to and from school, whether you take the bus, drive, or walk to school. This means that you can get up later in the morning, or you do not need to spend long periods of time waiting for a vehicle. More free time. Since you have fewer assignments and you have one-to-one help at home to get your work done more quickly, you are able to spend more time doing activities you like. You can play outside, use technology, and play with your favorite toys. You are also able to take more breaks between your schoolwork activities. More family time. Usually, we spend long periods of time at school with our teachers and friends. When we are learning from home, we spend those hours with our family instead. We can play together and learn together. Less exposure to germs. The biggest reason we want to stay home is so that we can protect ourselves and our family from germs, like the coronavirus. Being at home means that you do not see as many people and we do not touch as many surfaces that have dangerous germs on them. Plus, you can sit in a comfortable seat at home to get your work done. So these are all the pros. These are reasons why we should continue learning from home. Now let's think about the cons. The cons are reasons why we should probably go back to school and not continue learning from home. So communicating with others. Students who are learning from home do not get practice communicating with others, like friends and teachers. This is especially important for students that are learning English. Missing friends and feeling lonely. When we were at school, we were able to see our teacher and our friends every day. As we learn from home, this means that we are no longer able to see them. This can be confusing because our schedules are different or gone altogether, and feelings of sadness and loneliness may come up because of this. This includes end-of-year activities like Water Day, the talent show, and signing each other's yearbooks. Missing out on all these activities can be a real bummer. Not understanding schoolwork and finding motivation. Many parents of students work and students are at home alone. This can mean that you have trouble understanding what your teacher is asking of you. You may also struggle to get started on your schoolwork because your daily routine is gone or very different. Access to technology. Since students and parents are working from home, the internet load is too great for the internet to support. Also, some families do not have access to the internet. So as you think about both the pros and the cons, I want you to make your decision. What is your opinion? Should we go back to school or should we continue home learning? I want you to convince me.